Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making chili cutlets. For this here I have taken half kilo of potatoes. They are boiled, peeled and mashed. 1 onion finely chopped, juice of 1 lemon, a handful of coriander leaves, 1 egg, breadcrumbs as required, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, salt to taste. 3/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, 5 to 6 green chilies and 5 to 6 fresh red chilies. Now here on the potatoes I will add onion, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, lemon, green chilies, red chilies, coriander, and the spices salt, black pepper and white pepper. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now I will mix them and I will make round cutlets. And here in the egg I will add chili sauce. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And chili flakes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now I will mix them and this will be better. Now here I have prepared all the cutlets, and now first of all I will roll them in the crumbs. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Without dipping them in the egg mixture. Similarly, I will repeat this process with all the cutlets. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now here I have coated all the cutlets with the crumbs, and now I will dip them in the egg mixture. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It should be completely coated. See. And now I will slide the cutlets in the hot oil. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I will fry them till they turn light golden in color. Now these cutlets are light golden in color, and now I will take them out. Very simple, easy and different style of chili cutlets are ready to be served. You can serve these cutlets with any sauce of your choice. I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video inshallah. Till then, fi amanullah, take care and Allah Hafiz.